Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and watch this video. This is Easy Draw for Kid. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today we are going to draw a lovely small house. Okay, let's go. Firstly, we draw the shape of the house. Then both sides. After that, we are going to color in rose red, yellow, green, blue, purple, yellow, blue, purple, sky blue, after all the color finished, we apply glue to make it easier to stack the glitter. Finally, put the glitter on top. Everything is finished. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.